Hello everyone, I'm Shweta Verma and you're watching Indian Masterminds, where we bring you real stories of India's change makers. Today, we bring you the inspiring story of Tadasha Mishra, the woman who created history by becoming Jharkhand's first ever woman Director General of Police. When the news broke that Tadasha Mishra would take charge as Jharkhand's DGP in charge, it wasn't just another appointment. It was a milestone. A calm and composed officer known for her firm leadership, Tadasha Mishra represents a generation of police leaders who blend discipline with empathy. At the police headquarters in Ranchi, where she assumed charge, there was a pride and hope in the air. For a state that has faced challenges like Naxal violence and organized crime, her appointment marked a defining moment, not just for policing but for women in uniform. The government officially appointed her as the acting DGP after the retirement of Anurag Gupta, a 1994 batch IPS officer. Mishra took charge on November 7th, becoming the first woman ever to head Jharkhand's police force. Though her tenure will be short, ending with the retirement in December 2025, but her leadership is already setting an example for what is inclusive and people-friendly policing can look like. After taking charge, she shared her vision for the police force, focusing on better investigations, faster prosecutions, and citizen-friendly policing. She said, "Effective policing depends on the quality of investigation." Her message was clear. Justice must be swift and accountability must walk hand in hand with compassion. Originally from Odisha, Tadasha Mishra joined the Indian Police Force Service in 1994. After Jharkhand was formed in the year 2000, she was allotted to the new state, and that's where she built her legacy. Over the years, she held key roles: City SP of Ranchi, SP of Girid and Bokaro, DIG Personnel, IG Human Rights and ADG Railways. Her colleague described her as steady, decisive leader, someone who stays calm under pressure but never shies away from taking tough decisions. It was during her posting as Superintendent of Police in Bokaro that she truly made her mark. The early 2000s, in fact, were a difficult time for Bokaro. A rise in extortion, kidnapping, and organized crime that had shaken the public confidence. Tadasha Mishra changed that. She built strong intelligence networks, acted swiftly, and resorted public's faith in the policing. One case that became a turning point was the encounter of gangster Anand Singh in the year 2003. When police received information that Singh was in Dhanbad's Bartand area, SP Tadasha Mishra quickly coordinated a joint operation with Dhanbad police. As Singh entered Madhulika Sweets, officers disguised as customers asked him to surrender. But instead, he drew his pistol, and in the brief exchange that followed, he was shot dead. The operation sent a strong message across Jharkhand that the law would always prevail. It also showed Mishra's courage and sharp decision making on the ground. Under her leadership, organized crime dropped sharply in Bokaro, and the district experienced a rare calm. Beyond her work in the field, Tadasha Mishra has always been a voice for women in policing. She believes that a modern police force must be inclusive and sensitive. Over the years, she has advocated for crochet facilities for working mothers, gender balanced postings, and equal opportunities in field duties. Her leadership style is empathetic yet firm, inspiring countless young women officers to dream big and break barriers. Behind the uniform, however, lies a story of deep personal strength. In the year 2018, she faced one of the life's hardest tests, the loss of her son. It was a time of immense pain, Yet she chose to return to duty, finding purpose and healing in her service. Colleagues say that experience made her even more compassionate. Someone who leads not just with authority but also with heart. Today, as Jharkhand's first woman DGP, Tadasha Mishra stands as a symbol of progress. Her appointment isn't just about making history, it's about shaping the future. She represents a new kind of leadership, one that values courage, integrity, empathy, and equal measure. Her journey from a young officer in Bokaro to the top cop of Jharkhand is a proof that true strength lies not just in command but in compassion. This was the story of IPS officer Tadasha Mishra, a woman who broke barriers and led with heart. Thank you for watching Indian Masterminds. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such inspiring stories of India's real change makers. Until next time, stay inspired and stay curious.